Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. So today we'll be seeing another Konkani recipe, muscat. This can be had as a wholesome breakfast or as a snack. This has two different variations to it. So we'll be seeing both of it in this video. So let's see how to make this easy recipe. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please press the subscribe button, and when it turns grey, press the bell icon to get the latest notification from us. To make the Mitsani muscat, we need 1 cup of wheat flour, around 3 to 4 chopped shallot. Adding shallots is optional. 1 tablespoon of grated coconut, 1 to 2 green chilli, salt as per taste. Firstly, in a bowl, add all the ingredients and mix well. Add water little by little and prepare a semi-solid batter. Add the batter to a preheated tawa and using a spoon spread it. Once the muscat is half done, add oil. Flip the muscat for it to cook on the other side. As the muscat is little thicker than the normal dosa, it needs to be flipped and cooked. Now your spicy muscat is ready. This can be had as such or it can be had along with any chutney of your choice. Next, to make the gotsani muscat, the ingredients required are 1 cup of wheat flour, 2 tablespoons grated coconut, a pinch of salt, 1 to 2 cardamom pod, half a cup of crushed jaggery. Firstly, to begin with, add warm water to the jaggery and mix well until it dissolves. To a bowl, add all the ingredients and prepare a semi-solid batter. Preheat the tawa and add the batter, and using a spoon spread it. Once the muscat is half done, add ghee. Flip and cook the muscat until it's evenly cooked on both the sides. Your gotsani muscat is ready. This is usually loved by children. This can be given as an evening snack or as a breakfast for them. So do try this simple recipe at home and do let me know on how it was in the comment section. If you like our video, do not forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. There are few more videos on your screen. Do click and enjoy them as well. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Have a nice day and keep smiling.